Hello, besties. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Do you see this hair? Do you like it? I guess you like it. Both the hair, both the girl, everything is just beautiful. I love the girl. So, guys, let me take you how I went to make this hair. I've been longing to make my hair for a long time. You guys know that I've been on lookout for 1 year and now. So I started to make my own hair. I'm tired of carrying of pushing tuku. So I started to have a new look. So I went to the market, a very major market, to have my hair braid. How I got this girl number, she came to my shop to buy something. When I saw her hair, I asked her where did she make it. She said, no worry, that she's going to give me the girl's number. I said, okay. So on that fateful day, I called her in the evening, telling her that I'll be coming to make my hair the next day. So immediately in the morning, I called her back again to ask her when she will be available so that I can start coming to the shop to make my hair. She told me by 8, and that 8 is not going to be convenient for me because I need to go to my shop, shed my goods before I start going out. So we booked 10 a.m. By 9:30 a.m., I called her to inform her that I'm on my way coming. Oh my God, only for her to tell me that she is busy, that I should wait for like 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours, that she will call me to start. I was like, I'm on my way already, I can't go back. So I got angry and dropped the call and continued the journey. When I get to where she asked me to stop, I stopped and called her to come and pick me, which she came with. I saw the picture when I was following her. So when I get to her shop, I saw this pretty little angel plaiting this hair, and the hair was so beautiful on her. Even though when I was coming, I never have any idea of what I'll be making, but I know that I'm making wood hair. This girl hair really inspired me. So I feel like, yes, I'm going to make this kind of hair. So I have to wait for her to finish this hair. So even there was a lady before me, but the mother finished plating and started plating the other lady. This is just a family business. The mother is one side of the shop plating and collecting some cash, and the daughter is here plating, and the other one too is also busy plating. This is very good. Family that stays together. Let me just give you a clue. Live happily forever. So here is my turn for me to plate. She's eating, so I have to wait for her to eat. Then we'll continue the hair. I don't really want to do copy, so I have to tell her to use another color to give it another, look, unlike the purple. So I said, let her use all blood. Let it not be that I'm plating the same hair with a little girl. But I like the purple so much. So man must hustle. You see these Baro people, they are working under the rain. So meanwhile, I was hungry, so I need to go look for what to eat. There was a woman frying yam and fish beside her shop, so I quickly went there to get, what to eat. Here, my food is here and ready, so I have to eat and still continue with the hair. So here, my hair is done, like done. I didn't video all the process because I'm getting tired already. So this is my hair, looking so, beautiful African queen. Oh my God. Looking so Wendelisha, Jennelisha, Chinwelisha. I can't, and I said, wow, those people in the shop are doing well. So I started to, went to where I used to buy my goods and buy one or two and started coming back to the shop, using using one stone to kill two birds. Yeah, I'm back in the shop. So, and my phone was done. I said my brother should help me video my hair. So this is the look of my hair. Bazakwena. Also again in a minute. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Okay. Thank you very much for coming in. Thank you for watching. Ayana, see me. What am I even doing? What is this woman doing? You don't know you're old woman. Old woman. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless you.